Hey everybody, today we are going to blend two photos in sort of a double exposure effect to create what looks like a Hollywood movie poster. All right, if you can see here, I got a little ahead of myself just to shorten this video up. I have two images, all right, that I placed into a larger canvas. How did I make this canvas? See the checkered parts over here? Right up here, I just went to image, canvas size, and then I bumped up the height, I bumped up the width to give me some room to play with here. So once you have this set up like this, then you're ready to go to the next spot. And again, this top photo is going to blend in with this bottom photo. Now, I say top photo because it's at the top of my image, but over here it's the bottom layer because I want the bottom photo on the top layer. So first thing I'm going to do here with this top layer, I'm going to put in a layer mask right there. And if you remember how these layer masks work, when it's white, it's showing through. If I paint black on this, all right, if you notice my colors, I have black as my foreground color. There's my brush. Let me just blow that up for you and watch that. You see, I painted black on my layer mask and it showed the layer underneath. What I want to do is a blend. So I'm going to use the gradient tool. Now, to do this, I need to go this one, foreground to background, but I need to go from black to white. So down here, you can hit the little D button. It sets the default to black and white, but I want black as my foreground color. All right, now I have my gradient tool. So what's going to happen is when I drag this gradient, everything above it's going to be black and everything below it is going to fade to white. So here we go. Let's watch. So do you see how the two sort of blended together? All right. If I don't like that, I can Control Z, go back, maybe blend it down a little more. I kind of like that one. All right. So now that I have that, again, I'm going to clean this up. So I'm just going to grab my crop tool, come in here like such. And there's my final image. All right. There's a lot of ways to play with this. Experiment, see what you can come up with. If you want to take this image any step further, you could always turn it black and white. You could add a sort of colored filter if you want. So for example, I would just go like this. I would say merge down. Now I have one layer you can see. Then what I'm going to do is add an adjustment layer above it, color fill. Let's pick something, maybe, how about like that? We'll say okay. And here again. Now, what I'm going to do is just change this from normal to way at the bottom color. And now you've got this golden sort of look. All right. And again, you don't want to do that. You don't have to leave it color however you want. All right, you guys, enjoy.